In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a checkbox in Google Sheets. This feature can be quite handy for various tasks, such as creating a to-do list or tracking completed work. To get started, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you don't already have one you want to use, simply go to Google Sheets and either create a new sheet or open an existing one from your Google Drive. Once you have your sheet open, the next step is to highlight the range where you want your checkboxes to appear. For this demonstration, let's say we're aiming for cells from F2 to F21. Click at the top of the first cell, F2, hold the mouse button down and drag your cursor down to the last cell, F21. This action will highlight all the cells in this range, indicating that this is where you'll be placing your checkboxes. With those cells highlighted, you'll want to navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Insert option. Clicking Insert will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Scroll down until you see Checkbox. Clicking this will add checkboxes to each of the highlighted cells in your selected range. You should now see checkboxes appear from F2 to F21, ready for use. These checkboxes function much like any other. Clicking within the box will check it, and clicking it again will uncheck it. This feature can be quite useful, especially if you're organizing data or want a visual indicator to track completion status over multiple tasks. Playing around with these checkboxes is also a good way to become familiar with their functionality. Perhaps you want to use these checkboxes to manage task completion. Just click on the checkboxes one by one to mark the tasks as completed. Clicking them again will undo the check, and this can be particularly helpful if you need to reset your list or reuse it for another project. Using checkboxes enhances the interactive aspect of your spreadsheets and can make data management significantly more efficient by providing a clear visual cue of what's done and what isn't. This step-by-step method should now empower you to incorporate checkboxes into any of your Google Sheets efficiently. As you become more accustomed to them, you'll find new ways they can assist with organizing information or collaborating on projects that require feedback on task completion. So there you have it. A simple yet powerful tool at your disposal within Google Sheets. Experiment with these capabilities and see how they can streamline your workflow. Remember, practice will make perfect, and soon enough, you'll be using checkboxes in Google Sheets like a pro. Thanks for joining us today, and happy spreadsheeting.